Hey everybody, it's Ben here. If you have a Mitsubishi iMiEV electric car with the touchscreen, which frankly wasn't that many, this was the high-end upgrade stereo system, but one thing you can do is pop in CDs and it'll burn it to an internal hard drive. So right here, if we look, this is actually album 101. That was CDs that I've ripped into the stereo. Let's add one more. My wife wanted me to put this into the car if I was going to be checking on this anyways. So all we do is we press the open button, the whole touchscreen system flips up, and sure enough there's a CD player back in there. And then we pop our disc in, press that open button again. So what it's going to do is it's going to check the disc, make sure everything's right, and then it's just going to start importing the CD into that internal hard drive. I don't actually know how many albums it's going to do, but it's over 100 already. And it also uses Grace Note. It brings up the information for album name, individual track names, and starts burning it into the car. Cool feature. I really like it. Been very happy with this car.